The real estate development is not only business for us. For us, it's a chance to improve our lives and life of future generations.
Serene Innovations and Development currently has over 50,000 square meters of developed projects, over 1,000 residential and commercial units, and over 7 years experience in Phuket's real estate business.
Happy is one of our values. Every individual in the company has an impact in the overall outcome, which is always dependent on the big number of the people. Happiness is a morning boost of the mind and good energy throughout the day, making work more productive. As a result, we produce products that make our clients pleased.
Ethics is the basis for the development of a strong company, creation of trusting relationship within the company and working with clients. By ethics, we mean respect, confidentiality, responsibility, transparency, sustainability, and law enforcement. As a head of sales, I pay special attention to ethics in working not only with customers, but also with the large numbers of partners around the world. Long-term and transparent relationships help us to develop quickly both in business and in life.
We highly value your health and well-being, which is why we place great importance on taking care of it. Our commitment extends beyond our own happiness to the well-being of our dear client. In order to guarantee the best level of care, we go above and beyond by utilizing the safe materials in all our projects. This dedication ensures that we never compromise on maintaining an optimal health standards.
The constant changes become a new normal today. The consumer preferences and world is changing so fast around us. There's a lot of innovative solutions and technologies that can improve our life. Our goal is to use those technologies to change the market in the best way.
The first thing we meet in our daily life is visual perception. The aesthetic is very important in the design of our projects, our offices, and the appearance of each of our staff. We use social media as a really effective visual tool. Nowadays, business is getting increasingly visual and artistic, and it's unquestionably a fresh and cool trend.
Today, the economy affects almost every part of our life. At the same time, economical resources are frequently mismanaged. Modern digital and building technologies enables us to cut expenses and reinvest the savings in developing our products. We're able to create new standards not only in construction, but also in the way that we sell and communicate with clients by investing in new technologies following our values.
Constant changes not only in real estate market, but in our life in general is become to be a new normal. We can therefore better create the company's principles which provide a strong foundation for developing sustainable products for future generation by being the forefront of innovation and cutting-edge solutions.
We push the limits of classical understanding and integrate technologies of the future into the present, improving the quality of life with innovative solutions.
We are Serene Innovations and Development.